All right, I'm going to walk you through a couple examples here for the Desmos, a couple slides you've gone through. So on slide 12 or challenge number 4, you're given these roots here and the 0.3250. So we take this, we turn it into our roots, and then we can write our equation out subbing in A because we don't know what A is yet. But we know that we have these 3 factors and they equal Y. Then we're given a Y value here and an X value here, so we're just going to go ahead and plug those in. So here our Y value goes in, we leave A because we're solving for it, and then we plug in X every time we see an X. Now it's just basic math. We're just going to try and isolate our variable A here so you can follow the math down, and we get that A equals -5. Plug that back into your equation, and there's your factored form of your polynomial solving for A. Same thing on slide number 15 or challenge number 7. You're given 3 roots and a point. So we're going to do the same exact process again. We set up our factored forms, subbing in an A because we don't know what A is yet, and we leave Y over here. Then we take our Y value of 210, plug it in where Y was. We take our 2, and we plug it in where X was. Solve all the way down, solve for A. A is 3.5. In the last example I'm going to do with you, I seem to have forgotten to write down what number this was. Anyway, you'll figure it out. There is a square term, a bounce point at -5, and another root at 8, and it's passing through the point 5,3. So again, we're going to leave A because we don't know what it is. Our double root gets squared here, and then our other root is over here. So now, and we have Y. So instead of Y, I'm going to write a 3 every time I see a Y. And instead of X, I'm going to write 5 every time I see an X. Solve down for A. We get that A is -1/100. The A values here do the same thing they have always done with all the functions we've talked about so far this year. So a negative A value is going to make the right arm go down and or head to -infinity. So the Y values are going to head to -infinity there. And also this is going to be compressed because it's a fraction, so it's going to be squashed down and look nice and short. This one has a positive A value. It will face up, and it will be stretched by 3.5, so slightly taller. This one we solved and we got -5. That means we're going to face upside down, or the right arm is rather, because the left arm is going to go up. This is not odd function. But we're going to head down because of that negative A value. And then also we're going to be stretched or taller by a factor of 5.